Welcome to this Pilates for posture class where all the exercises will be done either standing or seated using a chair. Now, as an option, we're going to use a resistance band, but if you don't have one, no worries. The band is 100% optional. A short routine like this is a really nice way to move with Pilates as a midday break or first thing in the morning to wake up. Hi, my name is Beth and welcome to Trifecta Pilates. If you're ready to begin this short Pilates class for posture, make sure that you grab a chair and let's get moving. So let's go ahead and begin with the feet parallel to one another, right in line with the hip sockets if that's comfortable for you. And take hold of the band if you have one. Inhale and exhale. Through this class, I really want you to follow your breath and not mine. So you don't have to match my movements or my timing by any means. As you inhale, reach your arms up towards the ceiling. Maybe you feel your feet ground down more and you lift taller. And exhale, arms return forward. Now, if up to the ceiling with your arms isn't comfortable, they can reach part way and lower back down. So just take them in the position that feels ideal for you. Maybe working a little bit stretch, focusing on that length. And again, syncing your breath. The inhale, arms come up. Exhale, lower down. Now you can keep it there, or inhale, arms come up. Exhale, arms arc behind you. And return. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. So continue at your own pace. Really feel grounded with the feet here. If you're taking that stretch back behind you, sometimes the tendency is to go a little bit quicker where you experience a stretch. I encourage you, can you slow it down a little bit more instead. Arms can stay reaching in front, or keep your arms reaching behind you. Ground down through with the feet and stretch the arms away from one another. Bend to the side. Come right back up again. Switch sides. Inhale. Exhale. Grounding down through with the feet. Inhale. Exhale. Your head can look over side to side, or you can keep your focus straight in front of you. Let the ear hang down to the shoulder. Again, tap into what's beneficial for you right now. Pause. If your arms are behind you, reach to your arms in front of you, and let's continue. Pull out on the band, bend over to the side, coming back upright. Use your breath in and out. And no matter what way you're bending, you're trying to maintain equal weight into the feet here. Stretching those arms apart, resisting the arms to close. Stretching apart, resisting to close. One last time. And now keep your arms about shoulder height. Pull out on the band, rotate to one side. Come back center, switch sides. So you can exhale center, inhale rotate. And if you don't like the rotation aspect, you can just pull out on the band and stay center. But ground down through with your feet. Deep breathing one more time each side. Once you come center, stay center. Very nice. This is where we're going to have a seat into your chair or on your chair. The band can just lay on the lap for right now, and we're going to do some movement with the neck. So as you breathe, ground down through the feet, equal weight in the pelvis, and tuck the chin in towards your throat and return. So it's not chin to chest, it's chin to throat and return. You may feel the back of the neck lengthen as you do this. So go for a little maybe stretch. You may feel the back of the neck again as you tuck in, return, using your breath. Just a few more times here. For 2 and 1. Very nice. Now you can scooch back so that your spine is resting against the chair back if you have a chair like I do. It's going to support you. Keep your hands on your thighs and inhale, start to extend your spine over. It doesn't have to be big. I want you to sense the low spine, middle spine stays against the chair, so your upper spine arcs over, and then return. So notice how this feels for you. Notice your range of motion, maybe where you're experiencing support and work. And if you'd like, as you continue, reach your arms parallel to the floor. And when you arc your spine over, your arms will naturally reach a little higher to the ceiling and keep them at that height as you return. So now they're at a diagonal. And repeat, arc your spine over. Let your arms reach further up to the ceiling. Then keep them there as your spine comes upright. And we'll continue repeating, arms slowly reaching closer next to the ears. And if you don't like the arms reaching, they can stay on the thighs. That's a nice option. And continue breathing here. Range of motion of your choice, pace of your choice, arm position, again, you choose. A few more times here. And one last time. Very nice. Bring yourself upright, arms come forward. And now we'll scooch to the front edge of the chair, taking the band underneath the feet. Leaning slightly forward, having some tension in the band, pull the shoulders and elbows back. Return the arms. Pull the shoulders and elbows back. Return the arms. So we're not about speed here. Once again, a slower pace. And I want you to lead with the upper shoulder followed by the elbow pulling back. So the goal is to feel the back of the arms engage, keeping feet anchored down. Equal weight in the pelvis. Just feeling that pull back with the arms. There's a little pause there and return. Pull back with the arms and return. A few more times. 2 and one last time. 1. Very nice. Now take the feet out from the band, and the band is going to just, hands have the band again. Elbows gently by your side, and rotate the arms to the sides of the room. Return. The elbows stay right where they are. They stay still as you rotate. Lower arm, return. Equal weight in the pelvis. Rotate. Return. Use your breath. If you'd like, you can exhale, rotate. Inhale, return. Now you can keep this up, or we're going to add on. We rotate, pause, extend spine, natural curves, return arms. Repeat. Rotate, spine extension. Inhale, exhale, inhale. Really just keep breathing. As you come back to this class, maybe you can get into that more set, linked breathing pattern. But another way to experience your spine extension here. Now we'll pause here, let the hands rest down, and go back into those chin tucks. Tuck the chin, return, tuck the chin. So if perhaps you were guiding a little bit with the neck, we're going to counter that by tucking the chin right now. 2, 1. Very nice. Let's repeat where we're going to rotate arms, Extend spine, stay here. Pull the band away from itself. Bring the elbows back in. Lift the spine, arms return. So it goes arms, spine, stretch the arms away, pull the arms in, bring the spine upright, return. So we're just adding on another little bit as an option, working into the upper, middle back. If you're using the resistance band, a little bit of arm work there as well. Just 2 more times. And 1 last time. Very nice. Let's end standing. Be a really nice way to end, facing the chair. And we're going to try to keep the pelvis square to the chair. Take 1 foot back behind you, press into that back heel. So you may feel a stretch in the back of the leg. What I want you to focus on is engaging the glutes, the buttocks, and pressing the hip, this area right here, more open. Breathing in and out. You can use the hands for some support or not. Just sense a nice elongation through with that front of the hip. Pressing evenly into the feet, even though they're staggered. And then switch out your sides. So we'll go second side. Maybe start with focusing on pressing back heel down. You can adjust where the legs are. Engage the glutes, press and open through the hips. Use your deep breathing. Hands can be used for some support or not. Deep breathing, relax and soften the shoulders. Another breath here. Very nice. Bring both legs underneath you, and you can stand facing the chair, or again, don't use the chair. Hands can be on the pelvis. And we'll lift the heels up, lower the heels down. Now, what I want you to try to sense more than worrying about if you're balancing or not, so this is where a hand can be on the chair, is when you lift the heels up, imagine the crown of the head staying where it is as you lower the heels down. My head's lowering. Your head will lower, but just imagine getting taller. When those heels drop down, it's almost as if your head is trying to reach up towards the ceiling. We'll just do this 2 more times. And 1 last time. Very nice. And take the opportunity to notice how you feel now compared to the very beginning of the session. Hey there, if you liked moving with that class and you're really looking to establish a strong foundation with the Pilates method to get stronger and more flexible, more mobile, the best thing that you can do is follow a plan. You can do this by moving with the 7-day at-home Pilates challenge. Whether you're brand new to Pilates or you're just getting back into Pilates after some time off, this is a perfect series to set you up for success with the method. 7 workouts, beginner level, giving you time and space to find the right variation for where you are right now. And when you do that, that's how you're going to get stronger and more flexible in a way that makes sense for you. All that you need to do is sign up using the link below in the first comment. After you sign up, we'll send you all the details and the first workout so you can get moving with Pilates. I hope that you have a beautiful day, and I cannot wait for you to join me on the mat.